So guys, when you try to upload a PNG file on iCloud.com, you'll get this message saying only files in JPEG format can be uploaded. And that's because the iCloud website version only supports JPEG when you upload photos directly. It doesn't allow PNG, SS, or WBP formats. Even if your image is totally fine, it will still show that error. Apple basically wants you to upload through their Photos app or iCloud for Windows and not from the browser. So yeah, it's not really a problem with your file, it's just how iCloud works. But don't worry, there's a super simple way to upload PNG files without any error. Let's fix it. First, open the Microsoft Store, search for iCloud and install it. Once it's installed, open the app and sign in with your Apple ID. You'll see a few options like iCloud Photos Drive, passwords and more. Just turn on iCloud Photos and click Apply. Now open File Explorer, and on the left side you'll see a new folder called iCloud Photos. When you open it, you'll find all your photos and videos that are already synced from your iCloud account, and there's also an Uploads folder inside it. Now this part is super easy, just copy your PNG image and paste it inside the iCloud Photos folder. Once you do that, iCloud will automatically start uploading it in the background. Now open your browser and go to iCloud, Photos, and as you guys can see, the image is uploaded successfully. No more only JPEG files can be uploaded error. And that's it guys, that's how you fix the iCloud only JPEG files can be uploaded error. Just copy your photo or video to the iCloud Photos folder and it will automatically upload in the background. Then go to your browser and you'll find your photo there. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.